Gets on the opening, shoot him. This one coming out the opening to the left. I'll tell you when. Okay, I got it. Shoot. All right.
Yeah. Got him, man.
Let's go get him. Let's go.
He's got a good beard on him. Yeah. See what you got. Pretty good sized bird.
Yeah.
Pretty one.
Well, we had a lot of birds this morning on this roost, probably about 50 or 60 just right here behind us, and we really didn't know how to set up, which way to face, but luckily we chose the right direction. They kind of flew down in front of us and strutted around for a while. Some of them kind of were fighting, and then this one and another one started falling, some hens coming our way, but we were lucky that this one and another one were coming our way because the rest of the toms already started to go up the hill.
Yeah, he was moving in close, so we thought we'd better take the shot now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We had some shrub on our way there for a second, so we kind of had to hold off on the shot. It was between him or another one, so he finally got out in the opening, and then that's when we can make the shot.
Squeezed in on him.
This one's he's got about an inch. He's got about an inch spur, maybe close to an inch spur, so he doesn't have bad spurs. I'd say he's close, maybe close to a 2-year-old, and he's got what we call a pencil beard, a long beard but a thin one. We're probably looking at about 8 inches here, but a pretty bird, and you know, that's what you ask for here on the opening day here in western Oklahoma.